question now, of course, is how do you actually add books? I've shown you the fields that I want you to include. How do you actually add books? Well, the simplest way to do that is once you're in your profile, you see there's a tab up here that says Add Books. So click on that. You can actually search for an item, and if you do that and you find it, then it will automatically add some of that bibliographic information. So let's just search for Graveyard Book, one of my standard go-to examples. And you can see that it's searching Amazon.com, or you can search the Library of Congress or any number of other sources from around the world. So I'm going to click on the link here. I like this cover. This is the cover of the book, the version, the edition that I have. I'm going to click on the link to add the book to my library. Okay, and then I'm going to go back here, and actually from here you can just click right on the link. You'll see this is a recently added. You could also go back to the Your Books tab, but this is just as easy. So this is recently added. I want to edit the book now. And this takes you into a page again that looks very much like the page that I showed you in the first screencast. You'll see that from the record it's actually put in a number of the pieces of information that I'm asking you to use. So it's got the title, the author, you can add your rating, you can put in a review, such as that. The other authors is the illustrator, and you can see that. This is really helpful to note that you can add an illustrator if you're using picture books, which presumably most of you will add some picture books at some point to your media log, and you can indicate who this other author is. So this is a good way to include illustrators for your picture books. Publication information is here. Now you can edit this if you choose to, if this isn't the exact edition that you have, or if you want to add further information. Anything that comes up here in green is stuff that's been put in here by LibraryThing, and you can't change that. So just leave that. That's not that's not really anything to worry about. The comments. What should I put for comments here? I think I will put loved this book, great for 10 to 14-year-olds, Newbery Award winner. Obviously your entries will be a little longer. And then summary, this is where you can take out this green stuff and you can enter your personal summary of the book. I'm going to save that. And it's in there. So now I'm going to go back to my books. And this is the screen that I will be looking at mostly when I'm marking your media log assignment. You can see that it's giving me two comment fields and it's copying the information directly from one to the other. I'm going to go in and fix that because that's not exactly the way I want it to, and I will show you how to fix that, or to edit your style, which you can see up here in the next screencast. So here's my list, my library of books, and this is what I will be looking for when I add or mark your media log assignments at the end of the semester.